Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our topic in a very interesting way. As you know that many students are going behind science and mathematics in this day, and there are few students who are taking interest in social science. In this regard, our Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti has taken a step to enhance the learning process or to make the teaching learning process in a very interesting way, or make the social science interesting. We take a step and it introduced a new method of teaching, and that is storytelling. I am very thankful to Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti. It gives me an opportunity to make this story on latitudes and longitudes. Okay, let's start, students. My story is based on latitudes and longitudes, and in this story my hero is Mr. Rohan, who is going to London with his parents, and in flight he was playing with globe, and he was very excited to go to London. And when he was watching the globe minutely, he said to his dad, "Oh Dad, I'm very excited to go to London, but I'm not finding London in this globe. Where is it?" His mother also replied, "I also haven't found yet," because she is watching in laptop, in Google Map or Globe or Map. She also can't find the London. So suddenly air hostess come and she told the latitude and longitudinal expansion of the London to Rohan's family. It was latitude of 51 degree, 51.509 degree, and longitude was minus 0.118 degree. Then Rohan replied, "Dad, what she is saying? I'm totally confused about longitude and latitudes. I'm not understanding the meaning of these expansions or these degrees. What are these, Dad?" Then his father replied, "Listen, my dear child, look at these lines on the globe. These lines are called latitudes and longitudes." But Rohan was totally confused till now. Said, "Oh no, Dad, I'm confused. Could you explain me what are these lines?" He was very curious about what is latitudes and longitudes. Then his father said, "Okay, my dear son, I am explaining you." Before the explanation, he asked some questions to his son. He asked, "Can you tell me your position when you sleep?" उसके फादर जो है रोहन से स्लीपिंग पोजीशन के बारे में पूछते हैं। Then son replied, Yes, of course, laying position that when we sleep, we lay down on the bed. That exactly. The laying lines, we can say in Hindi, लेटी हुई रेखाएं are called latitudes. Understand, Rohan? Do you want to know more? Then Rohan replied, yes, Dad, I want to know more about latitudes. Then his dad replied, okay, these lines are parallel to each other. The gap between the two lines are equal from all sides. From east to west, the two lines are parallel and the gap of these two lines are equal from all these spaces. And they are 180 in numbers. As you are watching in this globe, this is equator line and this is on 0 degree. If we go upward from North Pole, there are 90 parallel lines. These are latitudes. And if we go southward, these are also 90 parallel lines. These are 180 latitudes. Son replied, wow, it's amazing, Dad. He was very happy to know the latitudes. Then he was very curious about longitude also. Then, Dad, please also tell me about the longitudes. Okay. His father replied, okay, I will also tell you longitudes lines. Dad ask some questions to Rohan before explaining the longitudes. First, you tell me what is the meaning of long in Hindi? Dad asked. हिंदी में लॉन्ग का मतलब क्या होता है? Son replied, लंबा, Dad. Okay, लंबा. Do you know how can we guess one's height? He asked second question. हम किसी की हाइट्स का अनुमान कैसे लगा सकते हैं? Son, when he stands straight, then Dad replied, exactly, the same standing lines are called longitude. You can correlate these lines with word long और long से लंबा. ये सारी की सारी जो खड़ी हुई रेखाएं हैं बच्चों, ये longitude lines हैं. In the same way, these lines are 360 in numbers. This is 0 degree main meridian line or prime meridian line which passes through Greenwich in London in UK. If we go right side or east, these are 180, and if we go left, these are 180. 180 plus 180 is equal to 360, and these are not parallel like latitudes because all lines are starting from one point, that is North Pole, and ends on South Pole. Here is lowest gap, and at the center, that is near equator or on equator, these lines have highest gap. Okay, dear Rohan? His father asked. Then his father asked, can you find London now? Rohan replied, yes, Dad, I found London easily now because he can understand about the latitudes and longitudes now. I also found where is India, the help of latitude and longitudes. He found the longitude and latitude expansion of India and he searched India in this map. He also searched London in this map with the help of latitudes and longitudes. Then his father said, I think this was amazing journey and also memorable. Rohan said, thank you Dad, and I think now we have also reached London. In this process of teaching and learning of latitude and longitudes, they reached London easily and very happy way. Okay students, thank you, and I hope you are also able to understand now about latitudes and longitudes with the help of this story. Thank you very much.